What's up, traders? Kevin here from Funded Futures Network. Share a trade I took on Friday on the NQ 377 chart, as I always trade, and it was actually a trigger zone paired with a order block. And I'll share this. I'll share this with you quickly so you can see and explain, and I'll talk through this trade so you can see exactly what I use and why I entered here. So, market pushed down. Of course, we were in a major down trend. Trend is friend, you know the saying, and it made a turn here, made this little order block right over here. Came down, touched PP, came back up here, and of course this red zone is my trigger zone. And I saw this order block, I saw the rejection of this order block, and you'll see me enter there. I'm too short. Again, thinking pattern here while I was in this trade was that if the market does push back up here, I will re-enter another two contracts right above here. My order block is my safeguard. So right at the top of that candle there, that little candlestick there, and of course now I've got the deviation in the way there too. So again, you'll see me in a minute here. I will place two orders down here, two orders up here. I'm already too short, which I'm okay if it goes short in my favor, which is fine. But I thought if it does push back, I will pull my average order up a little bit, and then yeah, my stop is up here. That's where my trade is invalidated. So this trade here, again, three confluence factors is the order block, the trigger zone, and of course now we have bear dev on like bad bear dev here, and just the fact that that didn't go higher, that's fine. Bear dev, and of course now we have the deviation in the way there too. So, and again, bar confirmation, big down bar here, that black bar over there, big down bar takes out lower that one there. So again, that's another confirmation. So we're between 4 and 5. Again, gave me confidence in this trade. I'm trading in the direction of the trend, so this is showing me that I'm in the direction of the trend, giving me confidence to stay in my trade. Again, I'll fast forward this a little bit. You guys can see eventually it'll bounce up here, hit my short here, and move my average order up, which is exactly what I wanted. And then as soon as it moves my average order up, I will take two profit here just to scalp out two profits quick, and then the trade carries on in my favor. But again, three confluence factors here. Say it for a second time here, is I have that order block over there, my trigger zone here. I had this major deviation here. Just because it's a little bit lower, I mean, you can see that deviation is a lot lower there. It lost a lot of momentum coming down here. And of course, now we have the deviation, the second lower deviation of VWAP in the way here too. Again, giving me confidence to stay in my trade. And go short, and I slept on another two contracts here as soon as it spiked up, but I will fast forward this trade and you guys can have a look how it plays out. And here you can see it's hovering here, but again my trade is still not invalidated, so I have my order sitting there waiting, and we'll fast forward again here and we will see how this trade played out. You can see starting to push up a little bit, pushed up, touched my order, filled me one, didn't fill my second one yet. Yeah, it filled my second one now. Again, now it's touching the VWAP line, immediately it rejects. So as soon as it gets down here, gets to my entry line down here, I'll pull one contract off, break even, just to move my order entry up, mitigate my risk. Then my second one is off, and now I'm still too short. But now look at where my entry is. Nice entry, great entry, and even though I broke even on those two, now I've got $640, $700 profit, and I can let this ride. A lot easier trade to be in if it does push up, and that's why you average into your trades. See how this plays out here. This pushes down and takes out this one, and I think it comes down to here, and I think this was about a $2,000 trade. But I'll fast forward here, and you guys can see how it plays out. Yeah, I pulled in one contract for $480. I'll move my stop down here to where my protection is, again above PP. Probably, I mean, I would like to see a few closes below PP. Then I'll move it up and give it some room to move. I mean, we've got the trigger zone coming down, and $1,200, $1,100 right now, plus the $500 I pulled off in the beginning. There you can see with $1,300 in the green. I'm going to stop here in a minute, move it down to above this little order block over here, give it a little bit of room, and if it does come and tag me here, I'm okay with that. Again, I made quite a bit of money coming down here. I'll pull it out of the contract, put full $500 out of the market, so I will take that as a winning trade. You can see it all play out here. Again, it comes against me a couple of times here, and I don't remember this trade. I recorded it on Friday, and I'm making this video here. It's Sunday night, so again, once again, show you guys so you don't forget. Order block, deviation line. This major drop in delta here. This is a cumulative delta here. Major drop in delta here. Again, there was actually hidden bear dove here. If you have a look, it's higher there, but it's lower there, so it's hidden bear dove in the downtrend. I will take that all day long. See this one here? It's a little higher there, but it's lower there. That's hidden bear dove in the downtrend. Very, very probable trade this, and that is why I entered 4 contracts on the NQ. Fast forward it here, and you guys can see how it plays out. And there we go, I'm out. Again, that was $800 hit me out here. $1,350 in, I don't know, what was it, 5.5 minutes, 4.5 minutes. So, yeah. Again, 3 confidence factors, NQ377. Check us out, www.fundedfuturesnetwork.com. We run a prop shop, we run a prop firm where we fund traders just like you. If you don't have enough capital, hit us up and we will help you out.